Hi, I'm Craig Doden, Solutions Director with Century Business Council IT. Today we're going to be going over how to change staples and empty hole punch. If you get an indicator stating that it needs staples, it's usually stapler A. When we open this up on the side here, you're going to see it labeled A. You simply pull down slightly on this, pull this out, and it will come out in your hand. Now, one thing you need to know is they have 5,000 staples in them, so if you see them all the way up here, it could be that there's a stapler jammed in here and that we have to remove that. Simply lift this up, pull this down, pull it out, remove the sleeve, close, and then reinsert. To remove this whole body, you push on this back piece like this, it'll rotate up, you will slide it out in your hand. You'll always have a little bit here. A lot of times what we will do is we will open this up, slide this out, get rid of it, so you can get a nice clean staple unit into place. Clicks back into place like that. After you get it put back into place, push it back in and you close the door. You'll hear the clicking, and that's advancing the staples forward. Once you hear it stop, it's ready to go. If it's asking for staples up front, like during the process of you're printing out something and it stops to tell you to add staples, as soon as you replace the staples and you put them back in, it will continue on with the job. If you get an indicator stating that the waste punch is full, what you want to do is you want to open up this door. You're going to see this white bottle here. We're going to pull this white bottle out, bring it to your recycling, dump it out, get it as best you can, and then insert it back into here. And if everything is closed, if everything is good, it will close correctly. If for some reason something gets bumped or something gets triggered out of place, the door won't close. You'll need to make sure that you close all the doors. It should close freely.